So I'll show you how to send GIF stickers to WhatsApp message. First of all, make sure to update your WhatsApp app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And if you see any update available, first of all, make sure to update your WhatsApp app. And then go ahead and open WhatsApp and go to the chat or group chat where you want to send GIF. Now just tap on this message box and here just tap on this sticker icon or emoji icon. And here select GIF. And here you will find lots of GIF. You can go ahead and simply send any of them. And if you want to search for a specific category GIF, just tap on this search icon. And here search for the specific category. And now just select the GIF that you want to send and just send the GIF. And this is how we can do it.